This area will really awaken your senses. The herbs found in front of you are protected from the harsh rain with a clear shelter that allows sunlight to enter. Some of the herbs, like the rosemary and stevia, are from temperate regions, so the shelter is essential to protect them from our tropical weather. You may be familiar with the herbs and spices through the food you eat. They provide the food with the aroma. These herbs also have medicinal benefits. Pluck a small leaf, crush it, and you can smell the strong aroma that comes from it. Let me introduce to you some common herbs. Feel free to pluck a leaf, but share it with your group. If you want to skip a brief introduction to some of the spices and go on to the next station, press forward.
Stevia. Stevia is a natural herbal sweetener with no calories and no carbohydrates, safe for diabetics and people watching their sugar intake. Stevia has grown in popularity as a sweetener for coffees and teas. Did you know that the leaves are many times sweeter than sugar? Pick a leaf and taste it. You'll be amazed. Sweet basil. Its leaves are used commonly as food garnishing and adds flavor to food. Basil is used in salads, soups, sauces, stuffings, meat dishes and especially pastas. It can be taken as a tea to aid digestion. Indian borage. Because of its strong smell, the fleshy leaves of the Indian borage is used to mask the odor of meat dishes such as mutton. It is also used medicinally as a treatment for coughs. Pandan. No introduction is necessary for its fragrant leaves. Apart from its use in nasi lemak and pandan cake, the juice can be extracted for use as food coloring. The leaves are also said to repel cockroaches. Laksa plant. As its name implies, the leaves are used to flavor laksa. Malays also use the peppery tasting leaves in their dishes. Turmeric. The rhizome of the turmeric plant is one of the most important spices in curry powder. Its vivid orange color also makes it a very important food coloring. Chives. Add chives at the end of cooking or flavor will disappear. They are delicious when freshly picked and snipped as a garnish of flavor in omelets or scrambled eggs, salads and soups. The leaves are mildly antiseptic and when sprinkled onto food, they stimulate the appetite and promote digestion. Lemon balm. Finely chop fresh leaves into salads. The leaves can also be used to relieve insect bites and sores. Curry leaf. The leaves have a strong curry aroma when bruised. It is an indispensable ingredient for curries and is widely used by the Indians. The leaves can help to improve appetite and digestion. Rosemary. The leaves is used sparingly to flavor meat dishes, grills, sausage meat, stew marinades, sauces, soups, salads and salad dressing. Lemongrass. Used extensively as a flavoring for many Asian dishes, typically fish, poultry, seafood, curries and stew. Stalks sometimes used as skewers for prawns or seafood satay.